again from scratch.
From
Okay.
scratch.
Okay.
Third time's the charm.
Okay. I'm getting tired of my name. No, that's okay. My name is Clara Aich, and I live in New York, and I'm from Budapest, Hungary. I arrived here with $100 in my pocket, and basically on the will of my parents, because you're not supposed to really leave too young. I bought this building in 1978 and moved in 1979. And the whole building is just a labor of love. From the beginning on being a ruin, the roof, the floor was snow in the ground, sculptures were lying around, the roof was half collapsed. And I said, it doesn't matter, I love it. And that was it, love to the first sight. I hope this building will continue to have its history and remain in hands they will appreciate it forever. Either for students to continue learning here or something worthwhile, because the building itself has a history. It would be a pity to let it go. A lot of exciting things have been happening here in the past and presently as well. And I just hope that it will carry on for years to come or forever.
To get early and ad-free access to Clara's home tour, go to homeworthyplus.com or scan the QR code on screen.